Hey everybody, it's Paul, and today we're going to do a quick video to help you read a little faster through the use of deadlines. And this is a very simple technique to implement. All you got to do is figure out how long it takes you to read a single page of text or a single screen of text. This is just a screenshot from a Kindle, and you basically look at, okay, once I get to the end of that screen, how much time has gone by? Let's say you got up to here and you notice a minute 20 has gone by. Well, you keep on reading, and on the next screen, if it has around the same amount of text, we're going to try to beat this number. We're going to try to gamify the whole reading process. Now that I'm a little more conscious of the time, maybe I force myself to go a little bit faster. Maybe I start paying more attention. So next screen, I start reading, and maybe this time around it takes me a minute and 17 seconds. It's a small little improvement, but we keep on doing this. And maybe the next time it takes a minute and 15 seconds. And you keep going, and maybe then it's a minute and 11. The idea here is that deadlines help improve your focus. I'll give you an example. Remember that time you had a paper due that was due like in 2 weeks? When did you end up doing that paper? Maybe the night before? What happened to your focus when you were up against a hard deadline? All of a sudden, you turn off your phone, you clear things away, and you get very, very focused on the task at hand. So I'm not advocating for procrastination here. What I'm trying to get across is when we impose deadlines on ourselves, like measuring how much time it takes to read a page or a screen of text, well then that might sharpen our focus, and that'll lead us to reading a little bit faster. Maybe eventually you get to the point where you're getting it in a minute and 7 seconds or less. So deadlines help improve focus, they improve productivity, and they can help you to read a little bit faster.